here guys, out to pump some water. Right, just want to make sure this thing is stable. It doesn't really feel stable to me. That feels better. Nice. It wasn't stable. Phone's okay though. But this feels much better. What you got there? It's the one. Lekker donuts. What kind, bro? Oh, Peter! We're gonna braai now, huh, Jumbo? We're gonna make a braai now. I'm back in the office. Yeah, you see. Driving from Case in Leland to Glen Allan at the shop. Hey. And yeah, it's good to be back in a combine. We are busy with some maintenance back at the shop, changing out tires and what. And sorry, I just had to stop there because this shoulder is pretty bumpy at places. And I think in the next, let's say not this weekend, but maybe next weekend, we're gonna go out to Texas for the wheat harvest. I can't wait, because then I'll be back in a combine in my office. Yeah. There's AC on, pumping some gasoline. We've already loaded this combine up. We're busy with tires. There's Mr. Tiana on the tractor, getting us some new tires. That's where the tire must go on. And they're busy loading that combine. Just gotta get some final stuff done on it. Yeah. Super quick. I'm tracking this combine from Glen Allan to Leland because it doesn't have a window. It was a small inconvenience when we tried to load this combine onto a trailer. And yeah, this is gonna take me about 2 hours, I reckon, as I'm only going 16 miles an hour. And it's also got tracks on it. So sit back, enjoy the ride. Righto, so the weather isn't looking too great. And I don't have a door on here, so I think I'm about to get wet. That's alright though. I can handle it. It's raining a bit now. Getting some stuff wet. Got me wipers on. Yeah. We're just strapping down the last combine. We're going to Texas this weekend. We're gonna hook a trailer to this one. Gonna load a combine on there. Second combine is loaded. We got one over there, one here, ready to go to Texas.
This is the last beautiful Mississippi sunset before we head out to Texas for the wheat harvest. To celebrate my last day in Mississippi, I just had to get in the water. So subscribe and stay tuned for some awesome upcoming content of the wheat harvest as we travel around the United States.